Back in the days when I go to school and you had some geometry or anything we have nothing to do with drawing, if you can't draw free-handedly, then you have to get the aid of some instrument or something to draw them perfect shape there. When we say aid, we are talking about geometry set, ruler, and them round sharpener. Hey, you see them round sharpener they used to get boy that trouble, you know, them used to have some mirror in them. But that's a different story. We all used to have to use kind, what we call silver, for draw a circle and them thing there. Well, right now, with smartphone, and we're in a smartphone era, so we are trying to take off the thing off our paper and put it on the electronic device. You understand? On the gadgets. So on the smartphone now, you don't want to do like maths or like geometry or like whatever and put it on the screen. Because it don't make no sense you have one expensive smartphone and you still have to carry around this whole heap of fandangles, book, ruler, geometry set, all kind of shit. No sir, that don't make no sense, brother. So if you find yourself I do anything by your phone like any mathematical operation, you know, where you do some graph or whatever it is, and you need to do some drawing and you want to line them to look perfect. You know, like all them, you see we have some rectangle here, so and we do like some sets or you draw them triangle, you know, right angle triangle or anything, or a square or whatever. Once you have to do it line, you don't have to worry yourself and you don't have to do it freehand. All you need to do, I just open your notes app. See your notes app open there. Watch how I go on there so now. So now open it. Notes app open. You look down on your bar down here so. Alright, so you see that thing here? Name your shape recognition. See there? So you just turn on that. Bam, turn on. You see once that turn on, any shape at all you want to draw. And we're not talking about shape of you, the song what the man sing, we're talking about shapes. So we draw a triangle, yeah. You can draw a circle, watch how it come out perfect. Beautiful. You see that? Watch it now. That is a trapezium, if you remember the shape them. Watch it again. We draw one square here, so. You see that square there? Put them on. No ruler, no kind, no geometry set, nothing. You see me? So as we say, once you do anything with line, and you want the perfect shape, you don't have to worry yourself, man. And when you do no writing, you just turn it half back. Because you never really work with the writing part, you know. So all you do, once you see you don't draw your line, you just start right. See there? Yeah man, and when you want to draw again, you just turn it on back again and you do your drawing. Yeah man, so go and go draw some shape, you know. You can draw cat and dog and rat. You understand? Yeah man. Let me hear from you down in the comment section now. Yeah man, peace out.